Hi everyone, the second phase of the Tapio Finance testnet has started, in which we will interact with such projects as Maverick Protocol, Gravita Protocol, and Pendle Finance. This testnet phase will last until August 31st. All activities will need to be performed using the Zeely platform. As a reward for completing this part of the testnet, we will get Tapio Explorer NFT, with a limited quantity of 15,000 pieces, so hurry up and get your NFT. We will also get a Tapio Explorer role in the project Discord, and additionally an educated role. You can find all the links from this video in my Telegram channel in the pinned post. Also there is an instruction on the first part of the testnet, if you haven't done it yet. Well, let's get started. First of all, we should complete all social tasks, such as like, subscribe and retweet. Then we start doing tasks on Maverick Protocol. Go to the link to the site. Make sure that you have the test network Go Early selected in your wallet and connect your wallet. In the swap tab you need to exchange ETH to tapETH or vice versa. Choose tokens, enter any amount, confirm the transaction. Then go to the Pools tab. Search tapETH ETH pool. Then look for such settings. Enter any amount, confirm the transaction. Done. Now go back to Zeely and claim 2 Maverick tasks. Next, we start the Gravita Protocol tasks. Also go to the link to the site and connect the wallet. Scroll down and click Open a new vessel. Select tapETH, GRAI. Next, set the amount of tapETH and GRAI and click Open VES. Confirm the transaction. Then go to the Pool tab and make a deposit for any amount of GRAI tokens. Confirm the transaction. After that, go back to Zeely and claim 2 Gravita Protocol tasks. Now we can complete the available Pendle Finance quizzes. Study the documentation and give correct answers to the questions. Now we need to wait a few hours for Maverick and Gravita to check our tasks. So, after a few hours, we've been verified on our tasks. Let's move on. Claim Tapio Explorer role. Claim our Tapio Explorer NFT. Go to Inbox, select Tapio Explorer NFT and click Send NFT. And your NFT will automatically be sent to your wallet for free. Go back to the quests and complete all the quiz tasks to get educated role in Discord. I have all the correct answers in my Telegram channel, so go, subscribe and do these quests in 1 minute, and don't forget to give me a like because I spent a lot of time to find these correct answers for you. After completing the quiz, claim the educated role. Testnet is now complete. Congratulations. Also, to make sure you got all the roles, go to Tapio Discord, write any message in chat, click on your nickname and see your roles. If you did Testnet from the beginning using my tutorials, you should have 4 roles like me. That's all. Subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channel, like this video, and thanks for watching.